How to see and delete all your Facebook stories. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down till you find Activity Log and click on it. After that, swipe to the left and you'll find Story Activity beside Live Videos. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see all your story activities. You can also filter by clicking on the option which is Line Like option. Then to delete, simply click on the boxes at the top which is beside all, and then press on Trash at the bottom, and all your Facebook stories will be deleted. And this is how to see and delete all your Facebook stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.